Hello from Nara. रुकेगा नहीं.
First day in Osaka, headed to see the top sites in Osaka. पहली spot है Umeda Sky Building.
So we bought our Osaka Amazing Pass from Klook online. It comes with a lot of benefits. So आप अगर Osaka आ रहे हो तो it's beneficial for you that if you buy this pass, आप online check कर सकते हो Klook के website पे या तो उनके app पे.
Sky Observatory is called Kuchutin Observatory. And because of the Osaka Amazing Pass, we won't have to wait in the queue. We can have a direct access.
After visiting the Osaka Castle, we've come to Dotonbori area. काफ़ी vibrant है and ये street पे बहुत सारे restaurants है, बहुत सारे cafes है and यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा river है and we are going for a boat ride right now.
इत्तेकिमास, बाय बाय. इत्तेकिमास, बाय बाय. ありがとうございます。ネイティブ大阪らしき人たちがうじゃうじゃいますが。
Bye bye. Konbawa.
いきますよ。せーの。こんばん
After the river cruise, we did a couple of things like this tower slider, which was also included in the Osaka Amazing Pass, and quite fun.
Thank you so much.
This Ferris wheel is something that you should not miss when you're in Osaka. It's called the Hep5 Ferris wheel, which is located near the Osaka Umeda station. This Ferris wheel is unique because it has Bluetooth speakers in every cabin and you can play your favorite music while enjoying the mesmerizing views of Osaka city.
Hi guys, good morning. Another beautiful day in Japan. And today we are off to Nara.
We are doing a day trip to Nara. Nara में 4-5 चीज़ें करने के लिए you can finish it off in a day easily. और वहाँ का deer park बहुत famous है. So we are going for that specially.
वहाँ का deer park और एक speciality is that the deers bow down to you.
So for Nara you can do a day trip from Kyoto or Osaka. But Kyoto में बहुत कुछ है करने के लिए. So we recommend that you do the day trip from Osaka because when you come back from Nara you can explore the nightlife and shopping of Osaka at night. Picked our morning coffee and now it's time for some sightseeing. Everything is pretty much closed near Nara station. You can do the whole thing on a walking tour and there's also a bus, like a hop-on hop-off bus, but you can do this with within a few hours just by walking around, doing Nara Park, the Raiji temple and the other spots. We'll show you the topmost things to do. A few minutes walk from the Nara station, you come to this place called Nakatanido. It's a shop which sells mochi and you can see fresh mochi making here at the shop. Very popular. They beat the mochi fresh in front of you and it's a sight to see.
Excuse me. Hi, one piece.
あ、素敵。はい。20円のお返しです。1個ください。取ります。どうぞ。
Thank you.
ありがとうございました。ください。
Let's try this. काफ़ी अच्छा था, काफ़ी नया चीज़ है ट्राई करने के लिए. And if you're coming to Nara, you should definitely try this one.
I'm so happy I'm doing some of the very first timers here in Japan. The very first time having a mochi, the very first time having okonomiyaki, the very first time doing a tower slider and so many other things. I can't even remember now. The very first time having a Michelin star experience.
First time having fire ramen.
Ooh, fire ramen was fun.
We being vegetarians, we are also liking it here. We have done our research, you know, vegan cafes, vegetarian options. And जो भी हम लोगों ने वेज खाया है यहाँ पे Japanese, we really like the taste.
What a country, man! What a country! From food to hygiene to everything. Everything is so just incredible. But the only challenge is you won't find a dustbin anywhere in Japan. I don't know what's the reason for it, but यहाँ पे आपको easily trash bins नहीं मिलेंगे. You'll have to carry your own trash until you reach your hotel or a spot where you can actually throw the trash.
The reason they don't have trash bins here in Japan is because बहुत साल पहले यहाँ पे एक अटैक हुआ था. तो उसके बाद उन्होंने सारे trash bins निकाल दिए. We have now come to Kofukuji temple, and this one is more than 1300 years old and is one of the oldest and most famous temples in Japan. We have come to the most exciting place in Nara, which is the Nara Park. यहाँ पे deers roam freely.
Nara is famous for the Nara Deer Park, and these deers are very special. They bow down to you when you bow down to them. Oh, look at this fat deer. Motu.
Such an amazing sight to watch, huh, Prachi?
Yeah, but be sure they are at the end of the day animals. Although they look very cute and kawaii, but you know, if you have crackers or if you have food in your hand, they can be really, really aggressive.
Yeah, they charge at you. Careful.
They charge at you, yeah. At the beginning of the park itself, you'll find stalls that sell deer crackers. Now, deer crackers are biscuits which you can feed these deers. You don't need to feed anything else. अपना खुद का खाना feed मत कीजिएगा. You buy the deer crackers here. It's about for 200 yens. You get some 7-8 crackers, and then you can feed them to the deer. Be very careful while you're feeding the deer.
नहीं है मेरे पास बेटा, नहीं है, नहीं है, नहीं है, क्या करूँ, नहीं है.
एक मिनट, नहीं है मेरे पास. नहीं है कुछ भी, नहीं है कुछ भी. So cute. It's a backpack. Okay, okay, okay.
After finishing the deer park, we have come to Ishwin Garden right now, and it is so scenic. There are trees surrounded here. बहुत ही ज़्यादा beautiful है.
little ahead of Nara Park is Todaiji Temple. Todaiji Temple was built by Emperor Shompo and it stands as a great monument at Nara. After a long and tiring day at Nara Park, we have come to unwind ourselves at some sake tasting. We've come to the sake tasting shop called Harushika Sake in Nara. It's a 20 minutes walk from Todaiji Temple and we are going to have some sake tasting experience. Yippee! This restaurant or this store was named as one of the best sake tasting experiences for 2 consecutive years into 2022 and 2023.
That's right.
So, very excited to try sake. Trying the sweet potato ice cream from Gram Chai.
So we bought a ticket to Limited Express train for going back to Osaka, and this train looks gorgeous.
Amazing, Kunal, amazing one. So let's see what's so special about it. Come. Train is a different experience. It's a half an hour ride from Osaka to Nara and it's beautiful. There's a small breakout area, small table to keep your food. There's also a cabin cafeteria so you can grab some coffee while enjoying the sceneries. We booked a 5 o'clock train so we are able to witness the sunset and the beautiful landscapes of Japan. The tickets for this train is almost always sold out, so you have to reserve this in advance. You have to be extremely lucky to go to the platform and get the ticket for this because the seats are reserved. It's only available on reserved basis, so you need to book the tickets in advance, and you can do that on their website. You type in the Limited Express train from Nara to Osaka, Osaka to Nara, and book the slots online, make the payment online and get your seats reserved for this ride. Ending our day in Osaka and also our last night in Japan. We had a wonderful, wonderful trip here in Japan, and I highly recommend you guys to come see this country once. It's just a pretty solid, amazing country. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and see you soon. Bye!
Bye guys, take care. See you soon.